ṣé Messi náà ti yọ tiẹ̀ mo doubt Messi ò lè yọ tiẹ̀ o torí ní last year mo doubt ní last year nígbà tí Messi lò mí kíní náà rán sí gbà yẹn lady tọ́jọ́ jà recently tí trade padà gbárin wọn kọjá yìí tí yẹn lọ ń bá Messi jà mo dá Messi ṣá ṣé Messi ò kọ̀ wá pati wa ni.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Lizzy Anjorin tún ti padà sí orí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn tí wọ́n wish the happy birthday tí wọ́n tún yọ kúrò. ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa arábìnrin yìí ó sọ̀rọ̀ gidi gan, ó làmẹ́ǹtì nínú fídíò yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu rẹ̀.
ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o wọn náà ti delete post wa o ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o wọn náà ti delete birthday post wa o lẹ́ẹ̀ sọ fún mi wàhálà ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o wọn náà ti delete post wa ayé mi o wọ́n máa sọ pé wọ́n ti ń delete post wa gbogbo birthday post wa wọ́n náà ti ń delete ẹgbọ́n wọn ti delete social media brat ẹgbọ́n wọn náà ti ń delete post wa gbogbo birthday post wa pátá wọ́n náà ti ń delete irú wàhálà wo lélẹ̀ ta la máa bẹ̀ báyìí ta la máa bẹ̀ sí wọn wọ́n ní Bíọ́dún náà ti delete Yétúndé ta la máa bẹ̀ sí wọn báyìí ta ló máa bá a bẹ̀ wọ́n ayé mi o Ọlọ́run ta ló máa bá a bẹ̀ wọ́n báyìí ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o èèyàn yìí wọ́n ní Bíọ́dún náà ti delete birthday post wa o akúfọ́ àṣùbẹ́gì o Hasan Olúfẹ́mi wọ́n ní Bíọ́dún àfìdípọ̀tẹ̀mọ́lẹ̀ ó ti delete birthday post o ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o kí la máa ṣe o wo lóhun ọba lọ́jọ́ kẹta birthday wọ́n láfìdípọ̀tẹ̀mọ́lẹ̀ wọ́n láfìdípọ̀tẹ̀mọ́lẹ̀ ó ti delete birthday post o ká la máa bẹ̀ mi ì máa lè jẹun mi ì máa lè mú báwo ni mo fẹ́ jáde báyìí báwo ni mo fẹ́ gbójú jáde báyìí ẹlẹ́dàá mi wọ́n náà ti delete post o báwo la ṣe máa jẹun báyìí irú kí lè yọ ọmọ anífowóṣe má rẹ́rìn pété rẹ́rìn oh God àwọn èèyàn tẹni mo wá ṣàdúrà fún àwọn warriors mo wá ṣàdúrà fún wọ́n ní Bíọ́dún ti delete o ọmọ eléníyàn Bíọ́dún ti delete birthday wish o a lè jẹun báyìí o ọmọ bọ̀tí ti delete o ẹ ṣàánú wa o a lè jẹun a lè mú a lè jẹ a lè mú báyìí o they don go wọ́n ní Bíọ́dún ti delete post wa o birthday wish wa tínú wa ń dùn tá à ń bragado ìgbà tí Ṣẹ̀pẹ̀tẹ̀rì ti lọ The Nation àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ọ̀rọ̀ The Nation là ń sọ yìí kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ gbọ́rù ẹnu The Nation tí Ṣẹ̀pẹ̀tẹ̀rì tó ti jí gbé story ó ti fún gbogbo èèyàn tó post mi ó ti kọrúkọ wọn fún The Nation náà ti gbé bí ò bá rí báyìí báwo lẹ ṣe máa believe ọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ tí ò bá ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí báwo lẹ ṣe máa believe ọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ for those of you saying kò bá wọn ṣọ̀rẹ́ ìgbéraga ẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù kò kí n bó ní tíátà kankan ṣe òun rèé o ojú alájọbí lẹ rí yìí o ǹgbà tí mo ti rí The Nation tó gbé mo mọ̀ pé gist lover mo rọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ lára òkun Ṣẹ̀pẹ̀tẹ̀rì mo rọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ lára ọ̀sán má jẹ́ ń rọ́wọ́ ẹ ní péèjì mi. I have been telling you if I did not stand my ground I won't be able to eat. I am telling you, Shekpeteri is a wicked soul. Shekpeteri is a condemned soul. You thought I was joking? You think as old as I am, I will now be staging show every day when I'm not mad now? Someone that doesn't talk, someone that doesn't mingle, and suddenly the person become a speaker, and the person was giving them back to back. Kékeré lẹ pé ké ramoni, kékeré kọ́ ni kí òkété, ike òkété kọjá kékeré. Àwọn araba ń bí ike burúkú, ike gbangba ní kí òkété. God bless you. It is Yetunde. Let me tell you something. For Auntie Fetia's own, I think I can testify to this fact. Auntie Fetia doesn't keep people's picture on her platform. You can check her own page. Auntie Fetia is a good person. No? She's a wonderful person. I swear down. Forget this thing. Auntie Fetia doesn't keep birthday pictures. Regardless of you, who you are. Me, wale so. But so far so good. Timothy Mo, sister. Auntie Fetia can keep a birthday post. And let me tell you something. She's a wonderful soul. She is a wonderful soul. She's a very straightforward person. Auntie Fetia no, forget it. She doesn't keep I don't know. She Mercy not your tear. Mo doubt Mercy ole your tear o. Torí ní last year, mo doubt. Ní last year, nígbà tí Mercy lò mí. Kíní náà rán sí ngbà yẹn lady tọ́jọ́ jà recently. Tí train padà gbárin wọn kọjá yìí. Tí yẹn lọ ń bá Mercy jà. Mo da Mercy ṣá, ṣé Mercy. Mercy ó kọ̀ wá party wa ni. A dé lọ sí party todo títí ẹ mọ̀ pé èmi ní kíní favor ṣe rí ilé ayé. I want you to learn something. There is no how you can patch people. No matter how nice you are, no matter how generous you are, you can ever patch people. On this social media, I've been able to show to you guys that what they've been calling me is not who I am. Ní tọ̀rọ̀ sísọ, ní ti ìwà, ní ti loyalty, ní ti respect, in all ramifications, I have been able to prove to you guys. I love the fact that Biodun bowed to pressure. The show that I staged to pray for Biodun yesterday, tí mo dẹ̀ kí, tí mo ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, then video tí mo post lálẹ́ àná, ṣó ti yé yín, I will tell you is a strategy to expose how they roll in my film industry. It is a strategy. I cannot blame her. I cannot blame Biodun. The pressure is much. Ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé pé fíìmù lòun sì fi ń jẹun. Ìyí tá máa fi bú Biodun. Ẹ jẹ́ ká expose Shekpeteri àti The Nation. When Abuke and Enusho was using The Nation to attack me, I told people around me, I said Shekpeteri is behind this thing. Ṣé ẹ rántí pé ó ti pẹ́ tí mo ti ń sọ? I have told people that Shekpeteri is behind this thing because Enusho, Abuke, all of them, their story cannot fly on The Nation or Vanguard. It takes a celebrity that work with these people láti pull àwọn èèyàn down láti gbé story yẹn fún The Nation. I am super happy that she deleted that post. I've been able to prove to you, all of you on this social media, that from day one Timothy War film industry, I have been able to mind my lane. I have been able to be good to people. I respect them. I love them. I have done everything within my what's it called? My capability. I'm a pleaser. I please people. I don't know how to hurt people. And my marriage says it all. The kind of human being I am. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ọ̀tẹ̀ sílẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ìjà sílẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé gbogbo yẹn sẹ́gbẹ̀ kan. Ẹ jẹ́ ká face òtítọ́. We are not perfect. I am not perfect.